Hey, Justin here. Did you know that everyday people are blowing up their social media with faceless accounts? No need to do some ridiculous dance to get your views up. They're getting their messages across with compelling animated AI avatars. If you're looking to blow up your business and social media with engaging AI, then this video is for you. Let's get into the top 5 AI avatar tools you need to know about. First up, we have DID. This platform is a game changer for generating video avatars from plain text. Imagine creating lifelike avatars with advanced facial animations and multilingual support. It's perfect for explainer videos, e-learning, and corporate presentations. The best part? It saves time and reduces costs by automating the entire video production process. What really separates this platform from the rest is the real-time streaming animation. You can also evolve your workflow by integrating with Microsoft PowerPoint, Canva, Google Slides, and other third-party platforms. See the link below to get started with DID. Next, let's talk about Runway ML advancing creativity with artificial intelligence. This tool is a treasure trove of AI magic. From creating videos and images to text-based avatars, Runway ML has it all. Its standout features include in-painting, background removal, and motion tracking. Plus, it integrates smoothly with Adobe Premiere and After Effects. Whether you're in film, design, or advertising, Runway ML provides creative freedom and high-quality outputs. The most exciting thing about Runway is their latest release, which allows you to generate expressive character performances. At the time of this video, this release version is called Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. It basically gives you the ability to upload or record a video of yourself and transform it to a talking avatar. You can change yourself by either using a character reference they have in their library or uploading your own. The animation and facial expression is uncanny. Total game changer. Okay, let's move on. Next up, Artflow.ai. This one's for all the storytellers out there. Artflow allows you to generate unique avatars just by describing them in text, but it doesn't stop there. You can animate these characters with dynamic expressions and movements. The no-code platform makes it super accessible even if you're not technically savvy. It's perfect for writers, game developers, and content creators who need customized characters quickly and efficiently. Now let's dive into Synthesia. The Synthesia platform offers incredible speech synthesis capabilities. You can convert text into natural-sounding speech and even build custom neural voices for your avatars. With support for multiple languages and real-time interaction, it's ideal for customer service, education, and training. Create professional videos with 230+ diverse AI avatars. The first generation of these avatars showed no emotion and actually was kinda creepy. However, they recently launched the world's first expressive AI avatars. They display real emotions now. To see this in action yourself, just go to the link below for a free trial. And finally, we have Veed.io. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, this is it. Veed.io combines AI video editing with avatar creation. You can add text, animations, and voiceovers to your videos effortlessly. It also generates subtitles in multiple languages automatically. The drag-and-drop interface and template library make it super user-friendly. It's perfect for marketing, YouTube, social media, and corporate training. Plus, it's budget-friendly, making it accessible for small businesses and content creators. In conclusion, each of these AI avatar tools offers unique features and benefits to cater to different needs. DID excels in realistic avatar animation for global audiences. Runway ML is perfect for advanced creative projects. Artflow.ai is the go-to for personalized storytelling. Synthesia offers unmatched speech synthesis for dynamic applications. And Veed.io balances simplicity and versatility for quick and efficient avatar creation. Choose the one that suits your technical skills, creative needs, and budget to take your projects to the next level. I left a link to all these AI tools below in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.